Welcome students. Today's thought of the day is never lose hope and keep on working. And today's topic is singular and plural. So students, today we will do our work in our course book English Junction. So take out its page number 4 and its grammar portion. Now look at these words. 1 spoon, many spoons. 1 spoon is a singular noun and many spoons are plural noun. So student, a singular noun names one person, place or thing. Like 1 spoon. A plural noun names more than one person, more than one place or more than one thing. Like many spoons. People or many dogs or many birds. Now we will look the rules of making plural to singular. So look at page number 5. We usually add s to singular nouns to make them plural nouns. Like in this example, tap is a singular noun and taps is a plural noun. Plate is a singular noun and plates means a plural noun. Plate means one plate and plates means more than one plate. Tap means one tap and taps means more than one tap. Students, we add es to nouns ending in s, x, ch and sh and o and z. For the example, bus, its ending letter is s and it is a singular noun. Its plural, when we make its plural, we add es to make it plural noun. Buses, it is a plural noun. Bus means a bus and buses means more than one bus. In another example, bush, its ending letter is sh, so that we add es to make it in plural form. Bushes, bush means a bush and bushes means more than a bush. Like box, its ending letter is x, so that we add es to make it in plural form. Box means a box and boxes means more than a box. Like bench, its ending letter is ch, so we add es to make it in plural form. Bench means one bench and benches means more than one bench. Now we will look our next rule. We add ves to nouns ending in f or fe. For example, wolf, its ending letter is f, so that when we make its plural form, we remove this f and write v in place of f. Then we add es to make it in plural form. Wolf, wolf means a wolf. Wolves means more than one wolf. As example, knife, knife, knife is a singular form. When we make its plural form, we remove this FE in place of this we add VES to make it in plural form. Knives. Knife means one knife and knives means more than one knife. Now we will look its another rule. We add IES to nouns ending in Y. Like in this example, city, CITY, city. Its ending letter is Y. And before Y, we will look a consonant. T is a consonant. Do you know what are consonants? And what are vowels? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O and U. These are 5 vowels. And consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, O, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are consonants. How many consonants are these? These are 21 in numbers. And vowels are 5 in numbers. Do you know how many alphabets? Yes, there are 26 alphabets. 21 are consonant and 5 are vowels. And when we find consonant before this Y, we change this Y into I and then we add ES to make it plural form. City means one city and cities means more than one city. As example, sky. Look student, here in before the Y we again find the consonant K. So that we change this Y into I and then we add ES to make it in plural form. Sky means a sky and skies means more than one sky. Hope you will understand very well what are the rules, and by following these rules we will change the singular form into plural form. Now we will do our exercise of number A. Write the plural forms of these nouns. And one has been done for you. Look at ship. And its plural form is ships. We add S to make it plural form. Ship means a ship and ships means more than a ship. Now look at another word, leaf, and here its ending letter is F, so that we remove this F and in place of F we will write what? We will write VAS to make it in plural form. So the plural of leaf is LEAVES, leaves. Leaf means one leaf. Okay? Now look at another word, book. We add simple S to make it plural form. Book means a book and books means more than a book. Now look at number 4, tree. s to make it in plural form. Now look at another word. Number 5, self. Look student, its last letter is F. So we remove this F in place of VES. And its plural form is SHELVES, selves. Self means oneself and selves means more than oneself. Look at number 6 word, cherry. Its ending letter is Y, and before Y we will look a consonant. R is a consonant, so we will change this Y into I and then we add ES to make it in plural form. Like this, CHERIES, cherries. Cherry means one cherry and cherries means more than one cherry. Now we will look our next work, question number B. Complete these sentences with the plural forms of the nouns in the bracket. Here are some sentences and some words in brackets. We will change these singular nouns into plural nouns and then we write down in place of these. Now, one have been done for you. Look at number 1. Trisha plays with her friends in the evening. And the singular noun is in bracket is friend. We add simple as in when we add simple as in this noun, it make friends and it is in plural forms. Friend means one friend and friends means more than one friend. Now look at number 2 sentence. How many days are on the table? And the singular noun is in bracket is glass. Look student, its ending letter is double S. So what we'll do now? We add ES to make it in plural form. So write down with me GLASSES, glasses. Glass means one glass and glasses means more than one glass. Now look at question number 3. There are so many funny days in this book. And the singular noun is in bracket is story. Look student, its ending letter is Y and before Y we can see the consonant R. So that we change this Y into I and then we add ES to make it in plural form. So write with me STORIES, stories. Story means one story and stories means more than one story. Now look at sentence number 4. The baker decorated the cake with some red days and the singular noun is in bracket is cherry. Student, we already changed this cherry into in plural form, so we will write down cherries. CHERRIES, cherries. Because we will look the consonant before Y, we replace this Y into IES, cherries. Cherry means one cherry and cherries means more than one cherry. Now look at number 5 sentence. This soup is made with cabbage, and the options are in bracket leaf and onion. We will change this singular form into plural form. Leaf, its ending letter is F. So we replace this F into VES. So write down with me LEAVES, leaves. And next singular noun is onion. We add simple s to make it in plural form. ONIONS, onions. Hope you will understand what are singular noun and what are plural noun. Now we will move ahead in our vocabulary work. The word boy and tiger talk about the male or masculine gender. The word hen and woman talk about the female or feminine gender. In this sentence, boy and tiger represent to male, and we also called male to a masculine gender. And in the word hen and woman, these words talk about a female or feminine gender. Gender, a noun that denotes male or on female, is a gender. Example: man, boy, dog, lion, etc. are male gender, whereas woman, girl, etc. are female gender. Now we will know the ways of changing the gender. Number one way is by using an entirely different words. As example, in male, boy, in female, girl, nephew, niece, papa, ma, father, mother, uncle, auntie, and so on. It means in these male and female, its spellings are entirely different, so that we should remember it. Now we will look our another way of changing gender by adding s, ESS or ES to the masculine, like Mr. 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 is a male and it is a female. Mrs. In this female version, I add only s to make it in female. Mayor. In this male gender, I add ESS to make it in female gender. Mayoress. Actor. Actress. In this female gender, I add ESS to make it female gender. Prince. In this male, I add double S to make it female gender. Poet. Poetess. In this female gender, I add ESS to make it female gender. Now we will know our another way by changing prefix or suffix. Students, in this prefix, we change the word that are before the noun, like goat, he goat, and in this male noun, we change before word the noun, she goat, he goat, she goat. In this male or in this female, I change before word the noun. Man servant, maid servant. And in suffix, we will change the after noun word to change in female gender, like grandfather, grandmother, landlord, landlady, peacock, peahen. In this male or female gender, I change the after word of noun. Now, we will know the fourth one way in an irregular way. Yani, in this way, the changing male or female are irregular, like bride, groom, bride. In male, fox, its female is vixen. Hero, heroine. Emperor, empress. Look student, now you will think that here I add ESS to make it its female gender. But student, look here, after P there is a vowel, and in this female gender there is not this, it is not. So it is in irregular way. God, goddess. Here I add ESS, but look student, D in male gender there is only one D, and in female gender there is double D. So it is in irregular way. Master, mistress. Look, here I add ESS, but the spelling of Mr. or master is totally changed. So these are some rules. By this way we will change our gender. Now we will look in our textbook page number 6. In this page number 6, here is the exercise of gender male. We will change male into female and female into male. Number 1 word is lion. It has been done for you. Here we add ESS to make it in female gender. Next one is brother, and brother's female is totally changed sister, SISTER, sister. Next one is tiger, and its female gender is tigress, TIGRESS, tigress. Look student, it is a irregular way to change it in female gender. TIGER, tiger, and TIGRESS, tigress. Here this vowel is missing. Number 4, female gender is cow, and its male gender is bull, BULL, bull. Now look at number 5, grandfather, and it is a suffix. In this male gender, we change the after word of this noun, means GRAND, grand, MOTHER, mother. Now student, take out your worksheet. Do you know the short form of worksheet? The short form of worksheet is WS. So take out worksheet and it's page number 6 and it is for your homework. HW in page number 6. Goodbye everyone and take care.